So I have a little thrift store haul to share with you guys. So I found this box and I saw that it says memory right here. So I thought that would be really cute to use for scrapbooking. It was $3. It came with a case, but sadly the case is missing one of the little like side things over here. So I'm really excited to see what other stuff is in here. It was taped up and I just untaped it to go ahead and get through it a little bit faster. Okay, so we have wife. Here's the memory compartment that I was excited for. What does this say? Loving memory. Is this for like, oh my god, this is for like dead people. Like, what is it called? Like the flower arrangements, right? Deepest. Oh my gosh, it is. And here I thought, oh, how pretty. There's gonna be like scrapbooking words in there. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is not what it is. Brother. Oh, some of the like letters are like cut off. Some more brother. In-law. Mother. Family. Yep, family. Sympathy. Mother. Godmother. Grandma. Okay, well there's like a whole variety of stuff in here, which is not what I thought it was. I thought it was like sweet, pretty gold scrapbooking stuff, but I was wrong. Mine. Okay, so I'm gonna put this away for now. Then I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with that. And then, okay, this next one I was kind of like sad about. So a lady rang me up and then a guy that was on the other cash register came over to help bag everything. So this cost me $13. And he's like, oh, how much are you charging her? And then she's like, oh, the whole bag says it's $13. And he's like, oh, some lady just came up to me and said that she found them just like over on a shelf with no price. So apparently she took 4 of my placemats because it was a whole table setting. So like here is the centerpiece for the table and it's these beautiful little snowflakes. And apparently she took 4 placemats and he just charged her $4 for them. And I'm like, so basically I'm getting overcharged because you gave away 4 pieces out of my set and you still charged me the full price of $13. So I'm like, yeah, I'm like, it's okay. It's for like hospital, like charity for like a hospital. So I am missing some pieces apparently. Okay, so here's another like centerpiece for the table. So I'm wondering if I even have any placemats. So there's 2. I'm guessing this is supposed to be a placemat, but that still looks like another smaller version of the centerpiece of the table. So let's see. Yeah, these must be the placemats then that he was talking about, because here's another one the same size. Yeah, so I have 3 of the placemats and 2 of the table centerpieces. So she must have just like mixed the matches. She must have thrown like her centerpiece over here in this bag and then took off with the other little placemats. So that's kind of a bummer that I don't have 4. I wish I had 4 placemats and then I would have ended up with 1 extra table center and then that would have been fine. But okay, so I'm gonna have to figure out how to use those because like I said, I would need 4. Then I got this pretty little puzzle. I thought it was so pretty and it was 50 cents. I was thinking about gluing it down and then using it just for like an art piece. So even though it's like a puzzle, I still think it's a really pretty photo. And then I found this little penguin guy. He was $1.25. And he actually has a charm for SeaWorld, which we have here in San Diego. So I thought that was really nice. It's not broken. It still has its little like fuzzy pom-pom. So I'm going to go give this to Sunny so he could put that up on our tree. And then, okay, there was this mystery bag. And all of what I saw was this Pooh Bear. And I'm like, I want it. So I didn't even bother to look at like what else was in here. I didn't pay it no mind. And it was $4, you guys, for everything in here. So let's open it up and see what we got in basically this mystery bag. So yeah, I literally bought it for this little Pooh. Oh, look, he was $1.50. So I think I'm going to take this with me on my cruise because I just think it'd be really cute to hang up. So let's see. We have some little gift bags, which are always useful. Oh, look, this one was going to be 50 cents, but they threw it in here. There's those. Oh, here's another little gift bag that they were going to make 50 cents, but they decided to throw in here. Oh, man, I thought I had like another like Disney one. It's just a regular little stocking. We have a gold bow. Oh, we have like a little Beanie Baby kitty. He has a bell somewhere. I think it's inside the body. That's cute. Is there a year? 2003. I'm like, took me a minute to see what that says. So that's cute, little kitty there. We have another little stocking here. Oh, they were gonna charge $1.25 for that guy and they threw him in here. Oh, we have a little sewing guy. That's cute. I could definitely hang that up on our tree. Another little stocking here. Oh, like a little candle. There's a little candle in there. That's cute. Oh, look, it's a little Dalmatian fire truck guy. That is really cute. Oh, he was gonna be $1. Okay, so I definitely got my money's worth out of this bag for $4. We have a little salt and pepper shaker with a little snowman. Oh, but he's broken. We could paint him. Oh, we have like another little like bear like quilting. We have another little snowman. Oh, I wonder if he works. He works, you guys. Oh, he changes colors. Oh my gosh, that is the sweetest. Okay, I'm gonna give that to Sunny to put up on our tree. Oh, little angel. She's beautiful. I don't think that's like anything fancy, so. Oh, she's so pretty. Okay, gonna put her up on our tree. Ooh, we have another little like hand here. Oh, little hand with a little baby. How cute is that? Oh, that is so sweet. So I think that was a really, really good bag for $4. And then I got this little Rudolph guy. I love that his little ribbon said Rudolph too. So he was only 50 cents. And he's from 1999. It's just a cute little plushie. Let's see. Oh yeah, I had got some ribbon because I didn't know if I would need any. So that was only $1 for that one. And then I got another mystery bag. Now, why did I buy this one? I don't know. Maybe because it was only $2. And that could very well be why I grabbed this one. So let's open it up. This is cute. It's like a little felt sleigh. I definitely want to like decorate that up. Oh, put some little presents on there that I got from the thrift store the last time. That'd be cute. And there's a silver bow. There's some skis. We could definitely decorate that. There is a little shovel. That's cute. Oh, look at these. So they say Joy and Noel. That's cute. Oh my gosh, look at this tiny little star topper. That is so cute. I think I'm going to take that with me on my trip. We have a to and from tag. We have another little skate. Oh, this is pretty. Oh, that wreath is pretty. I think it's a plastic though, but that's still really nice. Oh my gosh, I love this. I love handmade stuff. Look at that. That is so cute. I love that. Oh, we have buttons. Oh my gosh. This was so worth it. I would have paid $1 for this, and this whole bag was $2. So that was so worth it. Oh, cute. Hug a snowman. It's a little clippy. A little pin. Oh my gosh, I love that. I would actually hang this on the tree. I think I'm going to put a string through here and then have it be a little ornament on the tree. And we have a joy. I honestly don't even know why I bought this one. Probably because it was $2. I do stuff like that. We got a little snowman. Oh, cute. We have a little reindeer. We have another one of those handmade tags. This is so simple and so cute. I really like that. Oh my gosh, look. There's another one in here. He's a cowboy. Look at the little like horseshoes at the top. Oh my gosh, he has to go on our tree too. There's another one. There's a little star. Oh my gosh, somebody took so much time to make these. Oh, cute. What is this? Oh, we have a little like snowman ribbon. Kind of discolored though. It looks kind of yellow. I think it's supposed to be like, oh, there's like tape on the back. That's why it's yellow. Okay, we'll have to play with that. Oh my gosh, there's so much stuff in here. There's a snowman. Oh, there's another ribbon in here. Oh, this one looks more blue. It doesn't look so yellow like the other one. Oh, some tiny little purple flowers. And what else is in here? Oh, another one of those ornaments that matches. That's cool. A little gingy guy. A little shoe. Oh, a lot of stuff in here. Aw, he's so cute. Little bear. Oh, look, another one of those shovels, but another color. And we got a little stocking here. Another little ornament. And our last one is a little candy cane. That was a lot of stuff in there for $2. That was a really, really good deal. Then this one was $1. Look at how cute that is. I kind of want to add some glitter to it. I think it'd be so cute. For only $1, look, it was originally 50 cents. I wonder how old this is. I have no idea, but that is so worth the $1. And then my last couple of items here is this little witch for $1. It looks brand new and it punches down really nice. So I'm hoping that'll work really nice with paper. And then I found these little golden bears for 50 cents. And I just thought they were really, really cute. So I got that one. And then I don't know where this came from. It was in the bag. So it must have been stuck to something, I'm guessing. So anyways, that's my little Merry Christmas thrift store haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. And we'll see you later. Bye, guys.